Good morning, guys. This is MedTech Rider. I just want to flex my Yamaha XSR 155. It's been 2 years. Bali 2 years na siya. 2 years old na siya kahapon. October 5. And it's around almost 15,000 kilometers. Still alive and kicking. No issues at all. Ilang bagyo na po at baha ang dinaanan nito. Wala pang nagiging problem. For 2 years, wala pa talaga siyang major issues. And yun nga, sinusulong ko siya sa baha. Never nagka-problema. Same pa rin yung performance niya. Hindi nagbago. Ayun, sulit na sulit. May ilang upgrades lang akong ginawa. So, nasa mga previous videos ko dito sa vlog. So, ayun, pa-flex ko lang siya. And then, sound check. So, ito siya for 2 years. Very reliable talaga ang Yamaha. Lalo na to Yamaha XSR. So, walang problem sa performance. Hindi pa rin nagbabago. Kahit medyo matagal na. So, for me, matagal na siya. So, let's check. Sound check natin. Bali yun yung tunog niya. So, ang ganda ng tunog. So, yung mga in-upgrade ko dito ay big tires na 160. Kasi yung stock niyan is 140, di ba po? So, yun. And then, this full exhaust na Yoshimura. And then, side bags. Then, handlebar. Actually, fat bar ito eh. Fat bar with riser. Ayun, super relaxing driving. And then ito, for me, the best tong side mirror na to, ang laki niya. So ito ay side mirror for KLX, Kawasaki KLX. So ang ganda niya. RCB na levers and so on. Meron pa, I forgot the others, but I think ito lang muna. I'm just flexing my 2-year-old or 2 years old Yamaha XSR. Still alive and kicking. Thank you.